My guy, what are you doing? You are wasting your life away on that phone 24/7. Unless you're watching TMF, you are literally wasting your years and you're not even realizing it. See, I say this out of love. I say this as an older brother. The truth is, you probably have goals and ambitions to hit, but you're not gonna get there if you're just letting time fly by. The problem is when you don't see it coming, but that's why you got me. That's why you have your older brother looking out for your back. See, today I'm gonna give you 5 warning signs that if this is happening to you, you're literally wasting your life. Let's hop into it. Number 1, you're just not satisfied. Have you ever just sat, let's say on the edge of your bed, just sitting there, completely unhappy, just unsatisfied with life? See, that feeling of dissatisfaction is a strong sign that you could be wasting your life away. Especially if this feeling is recurring, it basically means that you don't like where you're at. You don't like what you've accomplished, and if it's recurring, it means you haven't done anything about it. So the last thing I want to happen to you is 5 to 10 years pass by, you look back and think, man, I never put my goals, my ambitions, I never did my desires first. Number 2, you dwell in negativity. See, look, everybody has breakups. Everybody has rejections. A lot have been rejected from their dream school. A lot have received no's from their dream jobs. Rejections are part of life. You need to realize that you're not the only person that's gone through this failure, but so many guys will grab a failure straight to the chin, like literally take it to the chin and take it laying down. And then they start dwelling of how much of a failure they are because they got that rejection. Here's the thing, boys. Rejection is a great thing. You need to do a mindset switch. If you're not getting rejected, it probably means you're not growing, that you're not leaving your comfort zone. So, next time you get a rejection, take that as a good thing. Feel a little proud about that, because that means that you left your comfort zone. Yes, they might have said no, but you tried. And now you're going to try again and again and again, because those persistent ones, those are the ones that aren't wasting their life and putting their goals first. Number 3, you haven't learned anything new. See, one of the beautiful things of building a business is that it forces you. You have no other choice but to learn new skills. See, every time I've built a business, I had to learn marketing. I had to learn video editing. I had to learn shooting. I had to learn content creation. I had to learn about storytelling. I had to learn about Facebook and building funnels and coding. And literally the list goes on and on and on. Then once the business actually starts earning some revenue, I can then outsource single positions to people that are more skilled in that one position. And the more I evolve and more businesses that I start scaling, the more I'm going to have to grow and become a different person and add new skills under my belt. So I want you to ask yourself this: what is a new skill that you've personally added in the last week, month, year, in the last 2 years? Think about this. We're already halfway through 2021. Are you the same person that you were January 2021 or all of 2020? See, here's the thing. None of this takes schooling. Matter of fact, I learned everything that I know online, and now with our sponsor Skillshare, they make it easier than ever. See, with Skillshare, I wish I would have known about this resource when I first had started. The beauty of Skillshare is that you have a community of creatives, of people that are driven, that are ambitious as well, and want to learn, that you can also work together with. That is insane because it's motivating. And the beauty of Skillshare is the thousands of classes across almost anything you can think of: illustration, UX design, coding, entrepreneurship, marketing, photography. Any industry that you've probably wanted to learn a skill in, they probably have a class that's taught by a leading professional in that field that you can follow step by step with other members that are probably going through that class at the same time. I'll give you an example. Let's say you've always wanted to be a YouTuber, right? Skillshare has a class taught by MKBHD. This guy's not only an OG, but one of the top YouTubers and creators in the world when it comes to tech. Well, he has a complete class called YouTube Success: how to shoot, how to edit, and make your own YouTube videos from scratch. And the cool part is you can follow along step by step, and you're learning from literally one of the GOATs, one of the greatest on YouTube that have been for the longest. So you're learning from the best of the best. Now, the best part is that Skillshare is curated specifically for learning, which means that there's no ads, no interruptions, and instead it's an environment where you're driven to pursue your passions, your creativity, your drive to want to learn and explore new topics. Now, here's the best part. You don't have to spend a dime. See, you could start risk-free for the first 1,000 guys. The 1,000 guys guys that are watching this and want to take action, make sure that they're not wasting their life and adding new skills to their belt. The first 1,000 guys that run right now, click that link down below. You're going to get 1 month of Skillshare Premium completely free. That 1 month, you can explore everything and see everything that you can consume and see just how beneficial it could be to you. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 4, you spend most of your time on mindless tasks. Ask yourself this: what does a good portion of your day look like? Where are you spending most of your time? Is it on your phone, consuming content? Chances are this is a mindless task that's not making your brain have to work any harder. And what happens is when you fall into these mindless tasks, it's almost like the brain goes on cruise control. And now minutes, they fade into hours. Those hours fade into days. Those days fade into weeks. Like I said, we are halfway through 2021. Are you a better person than what you were 6 months ago when we started this year? Ask yourself that question. You're probably going to get a oh no moment. That oh no moment, that's the moment you realize that you've wasted months of your life you're never getting back. Number 5, you feel uninspired. See, you feel like you lack passion. Sometimes you just sit there and think you just are living. There's no purpose, no drive, no nothing. But here's the thing. Everybody has purpose. Everybody has a passion. I've said this multiple times. Everybody is good at something. And you just have to find that one thing that will motivate you to grow and expand and evolve. And to do that, I've said this multiple times, you want to explore more. You want to have more experiences. You want to read more and learn more. You want to go out more, be exposed to more stuff. And I promise you, sooner or later, you're going to stumble upon something that's just going to click. This is what you love to do. And finally, number 6, everybody around you are just energy vampires. See, it's easy to hang with people that don't want to push you to grow. It's easy to hang with people that are around you that bring you down versus actually push you to try to get better. It's just easier. Think about it. You just get to chill and relax with the same dudes on low-level energy that do the same mindless activities every weekend that are unfruitful. It's easier to just do that. It doesn't challenge you. But here's what happens. Keep doing that, and you're easily going to get pulled down to their level, and before you know it, 2 years have passed by, and you've wasted your life. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Skillshare. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.